there are people out there who want to do evil but don't want to have to pay and suffer the consequences for the evil they do. Now they want help to get out of stuff they've gotten themselves in. And I've come to realize in the past life, that you help people get out of stuff and they go and get in more stuff. And then you help them out of stuff and they go and get in more stuff. Are you helping them? But to not help them, there's this sense of guilt, that you could help them, but now you got to restrain yourself from helping them because the real help requires restraint. Some people might call that tough love. How can you say you love somebody and you won't help them when they get in a mess? Because you helped them when they were in messes and they haven't learned from the messes that they've gotten in. And every time you help them, you just simply say to them, it's okay to get in messes because I'm going to be there for you. And if you're not there, they want to make you feel guilty and ashamed. Imagine folks getting themselves in messes and they got an issue with you because you won't help them get out of it. It's like, I didn't help you get in that mess. I'm thankful that the Almighty is not like that. Especially in the sense when it comes down to He help us even when we get ourselves in messes. But how many of you know He may not show up when we want Him? But He's always on time. And sometimes He allow us to go through it